Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb sitting inside of the all-new Buick Envision Avenir. This Envision Avenir has the Bose audio system, so I'm going to be showing you really how to get your way around it. So let's hop right in. As I flip us around, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the music, tunes app. So of course the music will turn on, but we're going to go over to our person here. And then now you have, your different SiriusXM, so you can subscribe, be in demo, that sort of thing. Now I'm going to go over here to the settings, and then you can choose sound. So my preferred, because Bose audio system is fantastic for bass, I go ahead and turn that all the way up as much as I need. 12's kind of extreme for me personally, but I like closer to the high end. And then mid-range, want to make sure that's good up too, and treble. Now you do want to play with it instead of just picking a random number like I have, just to make sure the sound system is to your liking, depending on your music, your audiobooks, whatever you like to listen to. Now we have fade and balance, which you can move around the vehicle in any way, shape, or form. So say we put it all the way over here, we want to reset it, we click this circle over here. I, however, like it just a little bit behind me as the driver. And then you have sound mode. Now you can specify it to the driver, the rear, whoever you want to have the best quality. Now for this, we're going to have normal. Of course, it's for demoing purposes, but that makes the sound system great. So I'm going to turn it on just quick. And it sounds great. Now, one other thing, you have the turn knob, which turns on music, but then to mute it, you just click it in, and this little ring lights up, which is pretty cool. Now, the music playing is through SiriusXM. I don't own any of it, for copyright purposes. But I want to say thank y'all again for watching. Hope you're enjoying your new sound system in your new Buick Envision. Once again, y'all are having a great day. I'll see y'all soon.